Pradeep Gauri, Jasvina, am audible? Jasvina,
Yes, sir.
am audible, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, Today, I want to take another this one to finish this unit. I'll take last two slides, then I'll give you important questions related to this unit.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I explained up to generally what are the targeting strategies are there. I explained those also. And in today's class, there are majorly two kinds of particular strategies are there related to this one. That is undifferentiated marketing, differentiated marketing. And third one is concentrated marketing. So, what's it exactly the undifferentiated marketing in the service marketing? Why this is important? Why this strategy as a service marketing manager they need to implement for their uh, particular work? Yes, Jaswina.
So, undifferentiated marketing is take the example of any salon. You
Hmm.
have services for all, like from unisex salon. You don't categorize anything.
True,
Like it's a
true.
hundred
That is
percent
common,
for everyone. Common.
common. Okay.
Yes, sir. So next
Undifferentiated
is
means all kind of particular services are there with them.
yes, sir.
Got it? That's called as undifferentiated. And one more
So
that is differentiated means those one who are core in that particular
only for
service sector
males
only.
and for females.
That's what.
So
One
now if
who
you
are
take
core
a
in the
parlor,
field,
mm,
any core field. Okay.
mm,
That is differentiated. Concentrated means it is especially
only a
appealing when,
particular kind of class people can come there.
yeah, they're going to concentrate only on a few people, only few customers, few segments. Okay. Those are coming under the concentrated marketing. So these are the major three uh, uh, strategies. Those are coming under the targeting in services. As a service marketing manager, they need to concentrate on these three particular service strategies. One is undifferentiated marketing, differentiated marketing, and concentrated marketing. Undifferentiated marketing, here the firm ignores market segments differences and goes after the whole market with one market offer. Means it is going to give all the services. It focuses on a basic buyer need rather than on difference among buyers. This strategy is also called as very important. Okay, that is broad or standardization. What I mentioned here, this strategy is also called as broad strategy or in standardization strategy. In this strategy, the firm offers the same product to different market segments. It uses the same communication, pricing, distribution strategies. And in differentiated marketing, the firm operates in several market segments and designs different programs for each particular segments. See, there are a number of maybe segments are there. So on the basis of the what kind of product, what kind of customers are. So a number of segments are there, and on each particular segment, they will give different programs on each segment. This strategy is also called as selective marketing. Okay, so out of those all segments, okay, out of all those programs on each particular segment, they will offer you for n number of programs. So which one you are going to select, that is called as differentiated marketing. Then concentrated marketing is nothing but it is the especially appealing when company resources are limited. Instead of going after a small share of a large market, the firm goes after a large share of one or few segments or niches. One that is depend on how that you are going to concentrate on the exact need. So depend on that what you are going to concentrate, what you are going to target, the segment that is coming into the concentrated marketing. Here, your second unit of your service marketing is over. If you have any question, you can ask me now, or otherwise, I will give you important questions related to your second unit. All have to come in video mode, please. All have to come in video mode, please. Yeah, all have to come in video mode. Narayan Acharya, I explained already. That is concentrated marketing. Narayan Acharya. What that concentrated marketing is? That is one of the. Uh, you're not audible. You're not audible. No. You're not audible. No, no. Yes. You're not audible. Akila. Akila Hiremat.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
tell me, what is that concentrated marketing? That's one of the targeting service. That's one of the major
So,
strategy.
so it concentrates only on a particular group of customers. So, like a particular product for a particular target of group of target.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please take down, all of you, please take down important questions related to your second unit.
Yes.
Please take down important questions. Please take down 3 marks questions. 3 mark questions. What is undifferentiated marketing? What is undifferentiated marketing? Define geographical segmentation. Define geographical segmentation. Third question, what do you understand by balanced scorecard? What do you understand by? What do you understand by balanced scorecard? What is customer retention? What is customer retention? What is customer retention? Next question, define service research. Define service research. Next question, what do you mean by relationship marketing? What do you mean by relationship marketing? These all are three marks questions. You can tell very short answer type questions, and again a 7 mark question like this. Please take down 7 mark questions. First question, bring out the various requirements for various requirements for bring out the various requirements for effective segmentation. Effective segmentation. Next question. Next question. Write a short note on. Write a short note on evaluation of customer relationships. Evaluation of customer relationships. Write a short note on evaluation of customer relationships. Third question. Explain the basis of targeting. Explain the basis of targeting. Explain in brief. Explain in brief. Explain in brief. Objectives of relationship marketing. Objectives of relationship marketing. Next question. Explain in short. Explain in short. Objectives of service research. Objectives of service research. Long type questions or 10 marks questions. Long type questions or 10 marks questions to this second unit. That is, elaborate different basis of segmentation. Very, very important for your exam point of view. Elaborate different basis of segmentation. Next question. That is, what do you understand by market segmentation in services? What do you understand by market segmentation in services? Question mark. Explain its steps. Explain its steps. Briefly explain. Next question. Briefly explain different market targeting strategies. Briefly explain different market targeting strategies. Different market targeting strategies. Question mark. Explain essential guidelines for. Continue, same question. Question mark. Explain essential guidelines for. Explain essential guidelines for selecting target market. Selecting target market. Next question. What are the levels of retention strategies. What are the levels of retention strategies? Elaborate. Elaborate. Next question. What are the different retention strategies? What are the different retention strategies for building customer relationship? For building customer relationship in detail. In detail. Next question is very, very important. That is, what are the key reasons for gap 1? What are the key reasons for gap 1? Question mark. What are the key reasons for gap 1? Question mark. Explain the strategies for managing this gap. Explain the strategies for managing this gap. Next, explain in brief various types of service research. Explain in brief various types of service research. Explain in detail marketing research to understand customer expectation. Next question, last question. What is relationship marketing? What is relationship marketing? Explain in detail various strategies for building relationship marketing. Yeah, these are the important questions as per according to your syllabus. Okay, maybe next class I'll start your third unit. Okay, so I already given 2 assignment on this service marketing. Maybe one more assignment I will give you. Maximum only 3 assignment, and you know already, as per according to your VTU rules, 60 marks to the final exam, and 40 marks again to the internal. In that 40 marks internal, 25 marks are there for your I exams, and 15 marks are there for your internal assessment to the faculty. So depend on the assignments. Okay, each assignment carries total 5 marks, and I already given 2 assignment on this service marketing, and one more assignment I will give you maybe in next week. So you have to write that assignment and keep that record with you, and you need to submit it when you come back to college. And same soft copy you need to send it to my email ID. Okay. So up to here, I completed your that second unit of your service marketing. Maybe in next class, I will take that third unit of your service marketing about the service standards. Okay. So if you have any doubt, if you have any questions related to this one, okay, you can ask me now. I'll have to come in video mode. Meghna Jakati, Mohammed, Vishaka Shinde, Dhanasri Bide, Meghna Jakati, Utica, Vishaka, Meghna, Akash, Ashwini. Yes, Vishaka. Vishaka, tell me, what is that service
Yes, sir.
research is? Service research means what? Yes, Vishaka,
No idea, sir.
no idea. After completion of this unit also you are unable to give answer. Very good. Utica, Utica,
Hello, sir.
service research means what?
Uh, the research company, the service company which does research before deciding any service.
No, what I am asking, service research means what? Yes,
It is a research done by the service company
okay. How?
before rendering the
How
service
they will do that service research?
through customer feedbacks and
By customer feedback,
reviews of the customers
by review of the customers.
to improve the quality of these services.
No, I am not asking that advantages of that service research. I am asking about what is the definition to the service research. What is that exactly? Utica, I am asking you
It
only.
is a research done by a service company to uh, improve the quality of their services, which is done through feedbacks and through the reviews given by the customers after experiencing the services.
According to you, what do you mean by research?
Research is searching more for knowledge
Searching
based on the data which is already given. You analyze the data and based on the data which is already provided, you do external research, more research, search for more knowledge.
Okay. Utica, tell me, what is that service blueprint?
It is how the company provides the services from the start till the end. Service companies, how I had taken for the assignment Domino's company. So how they do on the counter services in front and behind, like how they do the cooking part in the kitchen, and also how they provide the home delivery services,
Home
because
delivery
Domino's
services.
has restaurant as well as home delivery. So
Give
how
me
the
one
process
example.
works.
Give me two examples.
um, of what
Hmm?
example of blueprint.
I don't know. Yes.
And I had taken Domino's company.
Huh.
service blueprint. So in Domino's company,
What
they
are
had
the
two blueprints.
advantages of this service blueprint?
Um, they tell you the loopholes in your processes.
Huh?
They tell you what are the loopholes in your current process,
Okay.
and whether your service is liked by the customers,
Hmm.
how are they taking in their perception.
Hmm. Yutika, tell me, what is that balance scorecard?
Ratings of the company.
Balance scorecard, I'm asking. Balance
don't know.
scorecard means what? Because I already explained to the class many times.
I guess I was not there for the class.
But this is not answer to the final exam.
I'll go through the notes again.
Okay. Geographical segmentation means what, Yutika?
Like based on the rural urban areas,
Hmm.
geographically how the customers are distributed, the segmentation is done based on that.
Hmm.
Like in rural areas, the people don't go for branded products, but in urban areas there are malls set up. Rural areas they will not be malls because they know the customers won't go for those products.
But they will come to the urban area, then they will buy that. Means, do you think that only urban area people are good as compared to rural? Means rural people, they are not believed in the brand.
No, I did not say that.
Huh?
I did not say good and bad. I
Then
said that the company will set up their like branded
I'm
product
simply
like
asking you. I'm simply asking you. Geographical segmentation means what? Hmm?
so that's as per me. I don't know.
You don't know. Yes, Jaswina. Balance scorecard means what?
So in strategic marketing, I had learned that balance scorecard had mission, vision, and how they train the employees, how the compensation is given, and what are the strategies.
Correct. But what's that exactly? What is the major content of this balance scorecard?
So the major content is if all your scores are tallied, then your company will run successfully. Like if you're lacking in one particular aspect of that balance card, then
Okay.
you will face the problem. So wherever you lack, it is like the four squares which are there, totally four squares, and
True.
under each square they have mission, vision, objective, and how you're performing, and the last thing which is there. So wherever you are lacking, that scorecard you have to tally, and you have to find out like where you're going to mini work on which scorecard.
True. Utica. Utica. Now you got that exactly. What that balance scorecard is, right? What is that undifferentiated marketing? Please unmute your speaker.
Hello, sir.
One
So
minute. 1 minute.
undifferentiated.
I'm not asking you, Jaswina. 1 minute. This question to the Utica. Yeah, Utica.
I
Undifferentiated
and
marketing means what?
when the target market is not differentiated, everyone is included in the entire population is included and segmented for that as target market.
Then what's that differentiated marketing?
Where they are differentiated when the target market is particularly chosen based on what is the requirement of the product and not like entire population.
Then what is that concentrated marketing?
It's a combination of both.
Combination of both is called as concentrated. Combination of both is called as concentrated. No.
So,
Huh?
Salter.
Yeah, Jaswina.
Sir,
Give me one
undifferentiated
example.
marketing.
Give me one
Okay, sir.
example. 1 minute, Jaswina.
O-
Give me one example to all three: differentiated, undifferentiated, and concentrated.
Okay, sir. So, undifferentiated marketing, take the example of Snip Unisex Saloon, where males as well as females, all the categories can enter in that beauty parlor.
Correct.
Then, if you take differentiated, it is only either male saloon or maybe a female parlor. That
Yeah.
is differentiated.
Yeah.
And concentrated is like if you go for Snip in Goa, it is one of a very high class saloons. So they are only targeting the niche society of the market. Like they are targeting all the wealthy customers because local customers they can't afford that price. So concentrated is targeting a particular like saloon and spa. So only those segment of the market which requires those facilities
Means
can avail those facilities.
according to you, what is it then concentrated means by taking that as an example? What is it
So
exactly
concentrated,
concentrated?
I told you, no, saloon and spa.
Okay.
So many people don't want spa facilities. They are only a niche segment of the society which requires the this niche facilities,
Okay.
like very high facilities.
Yes, Narayan, Acharya, highlight some objectives of service research. Your voice is not there, Papa. Leave that. Meghna Jakati. Meghna Jakati. Come in video mode. Otherwise, you are absent today. No doubt. Come in video mode. Yeah, Meghna, tell me, what are the objectives of service marketing?
Hello. Hello.
Ah, audible. You are
So
audible, no doubt.
objective. Okay. Objective of service marketing. It gives the
No,
company
no, I'm
a
not
very
asking
good.
advantages. Advantages are different and objectives are different. What are the objectives of service marketing or service research? Service marketing is different, service research is different. What is that exactly? Objectives of service research.
So it's intangible, perishable.
I'm not asking those characters. Characters are different
Okay, that kind of is.
and objectives are different. Yes, Rangoli. All have to come in video mode. Otherwise, I will put you as absent. Vishnu Sulke. All have to come in video mode. Naviraj Navolkar, Akila, Shaila Rachannavar. Yeah, Akila, tell me, what are the main objectives of service research?
Sir, it has objectives like, sir, connecting with the customers. Sir, sir, then it um,
You all are not there in offline mode. Okay, if you are in offline mode, then you can understand that each and every step very easily. My class is very interactive, no doubt. Yeah, Akila, tell me at least what are the
yes, sir.
points that are coming under the gap one?
So gap one is basically the gap which is created between the customer's expectations and the service providers. So,
No,
so
tell
it
me
might
exactly what I
happen.
mentioned. No, tell me exactly what are
Yes,
those 2
sir.
points? The gap in between 2 points. Tell me exactly those 2 points. What I mentioned, what I explained. One is customer expectations, correct?
Yes, sir. One is customer expectations. Yes, sir.
And then second one is company perception
Sir,
towards customer expectations.
customer. Yes, sir.
You have to
Yes,
by-heart
sir.
this,
Yes, sir.
yes or no? Then
Yes, sir.
why there is a gap between these two? Yes, why there is a gap? Akila,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
why there is a gap?
Some maybe they are not able to connect with the customers and know their needs and wants. So
Hmm?
that is why they are not able to provide what the customers expect.
Huh?
So that is why the gap is created.
Okay. Then what are the
Sir,
strategies you are
another.
going to implement to reduce this gap?
So we'll have a suggestion box or feedbacks taken from the customers. So
Mhm.
after the service is provided, we'll ask um, whether the service provided was satisfactory or not.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, if there are any complaints from the customers, we can improve upon those, and then it helps in reducing the gap.
Okay. This is in general one. I already given some
Yes, sir.
more important points also. Why there is a
Yes,
more
sir. Yes,
servicing gap? Why that is going to
yes,
happen?
sir.
And what are the strategies you need to implement? Okay. So I have one
Yes,
more
sir.
question. What is that relationship marketing? Relationship marketing means what?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, the relationship between the customers and the company.
Hmm. Next. Dhanasri Bhide. Explain the types of service research. Explain the types
Yes.
of service research. Don't waste my time. Explain the
Sir, I don't know
types of
type.
service research. Vishnu Sulke.
Yes, sir.
Explain the types of service research.
Product testing, sir.
Ah,
Advertise testing.
oh,
Brand awareness and research.
you are the amender maybe.
Don't know, sir.
Don't know. Pragati Chaudhary. Pragati Chaudhary. Explain the types of service research. Huh?
The market segmentation.
No, what I'm asking, explain the types of service research. There are various types of service researches are there to the service marketing manager. What are those? Name any 4.
Sir, I don't know.
You don't know. So, my dear students, like this, after completion of your unit, you are unable to give answers. Okay. As a student, you should remember, you need to practice, then only it is possible to write in final exam. Okay. So, please go through the slides. Okay. In my class only, you need to take some points while I'm going to discuss on each and every point. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. In next class, I'll take your third unit. I'll start your third unit. If you have
Thank you,
any
sir.
doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, I'll stop your class now. Okay. Now we are